Hello everyone, and welcome to another AI accredited video. Today we're learning how to make stunning anime reels for you to share with your friends and on your social media. It has 4 simple steps. Step 1. Creating the base images for your reel. First, go to Leonardo.ai or any other AI image creation platform. Log in and access image creation. Select the anime preset to define the style of the images you will be creating. Then select the aspect ratio to be 9:16 to fit perfectly in mobile screens. Once you've done this, type your desired prompt to create the base image. In this case, we're going with an anime couple running through the fields with a bright blue sky. In a matter of seconds, we get 4 amazing images. Select the one you like the most and download it. Step 2. Turning the base image into a video. For this step, head to Hailuo.ai and sign up for a free account. When you sign up for the free trial, you'll get 1,000 free credits, but be wise and fast to use them because those will expire in 3 days. Click the Create Video section and upload your base image. Then select the camera movement style you want to apply to your video. You have a variety of options available that will determine the final shot of your video. When you're happy with the camera angle and style, you can season it up with more words to enhance the prompt, or you can just not select any camera style and let the AI choose the most fitting camera style for the video. When you're done with the camera options and prompt, click the Generate button. The result will cost 30 tokens and it will be a 6-second video. After a couple of minutes, you'll get the result. You can watch the result in the thumbnail and then download the video. If you have a free account, the download will have a watermark. If you wish to remove it, you'll need to get a subscription plan. Step 3. Creating the BGM for your video. Now we're moving on to the creation of the BGM for the video. For this video, we want to create an energetic anime opening style song. To do this, we can use platforms like Udio or Suno. In this case, we're using Suno. So go to Suno.com and create a free account. Here you'll get about 500 credits to use daily, and Suno will create good length songs for you to use. So when I first attempted to create a song, it gave me English lyrics, and I wanted them in Japanese, so I took the same exact lyrics it gave me in English and dumped them into Google Translate and had them back in Japanese. Then I went back to Suno and turned the custom switch on to be able to add my own lyrics to the song generation. So paste the lyrics into the lyrics box and then explain to Suno the music style you're looking for. For the title, I'm using the same title it gave me in the previous generation and hit the Create button. In just a minute, we get 2 amazing results. Let's take a listen to both. Once you're happy with the song, hit the 3 dots and select Download MP3 audio and save it. Step 4. Putting everything together. For this, we're using Canva. It's really easy to piece together the video and audio and export it to have upload ready. So go to Canva.com, sign in, click the video icon and select mobile video. Here you'll start with a blank canvas. Go to the left side menu and go to Uploads. Then select the media you want to upload, in this case both the video and the audio file. Once uploaded, just double-click the video to add it to your canvas, then adjust the size of the video to be full screen. Here you can resize it to leave the watermark out of the canvas or adjust it to the full screen. The next step is to go to the timeline and duplicate the 6-second clip as many times as you need, depending on how long you want your video to be. Once happy with the video length, drag and drop the audio file to the timeline at the bottom. Here you can select which portion of the audio file you want to use. I'm going to time it just with the chorus part of the song. After syncing your audio and video, click the share button and download the whole product. Let's take a final look. And that's it. Now you have your video ready to be uploaded to your favorite social media or to amaze your friends and family. See you in the next video.